Want to make your Instagram stories more interactive and fun? Polls are a great way to engage your followers and get instant feedback. But many people don't know how to create them properly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a poll to your Instagram story step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where I break down Instagram tips in the simplest, most practical way. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Select Story to start creating a new story. Now we're ready to add interactive elements. Step 2. Tap Create, then choose Sticker from the options. Select the poll sticker to add it to your story. This allows your followers to vote and interact with your content. Position the sticker anywhere on your story for best visibility. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. I post easy, practical Instagram tutorials every week, so turn on notifications to never miss an update. Step 3. Type in your poll question. You can add more options or customize the default yes/no options. Once your question and options are ready, tap Done. Make sure everything is clear and easy to read for your audience. Step 4. Tap Share to post your story with the poll. Your followers can now interact and vote instantly. You can monitor the poll results in your Story Insights. This is a simple way to boost engagement and gather feedback quickly. And that's how you create an interactive poll on your Instagram story in seconds. Polls are a fun way to engage your audience and get instant insights. If this guide helped you, comment below with your favorite poll idea. Thanks for watching Preyo Phonie, where social media tips are simple, clear, and ready to use. I'll see you in the next one.